Welcome to my vlog. Build tayo ng Robot Transformers Numbers toy. Nalagyan siya. Ito, name is Zero. Siya.
Thank you.
Ito, nag-rocket siya integrate into a 7 niya. At tapos, nahindihan natin siya. Ito, nag-close up na. This is table bag. Ganon. Tapos, lagay dito bag close. Another one pa. Ganon. Diba name is 7. Tapos, lagyan ng nag-robot neto sa leg niya. Tapos may dito. Name is 3. Pag-transforming niya. Name is 4. Pag-transforming it into a robot head. Tapos, gano'n to. Tapos, this is, name is 5. And this is rescue team on.
Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Mag-vlogger ako yung build ng robot.
Ay, okay. Wala ko. Naka-left
Po.
ko lang.
Natin siya mabuhay na.
Paabot
Isip
ako
ko na.
Soro, clothes. Soro!
Baby, get me nga scissors.
No, that one.
Get me scissors. Ay, ano yan?
One more.
That's legs. Looks like transforming building.
Get me the scissors.
Yeah, that
Yes,
one.
please.
One more. Okay. Okay na yan. Okay.
Dito tayo, name is boat niya sa warship neto. This is arm neto pag transforming neto. Tapos, pag yan to, natin siya. And making a transform head. And dito na, and transforming, this is head. Pag 7, transform. Ganon to. At this is a rocket. Pag transforming neto, ganon. Tapos, at ganon sa stairs niya, this is rocket. Pag this is warship, it's arm. Ito, lagyan ng hole dito na dito. Oops. Okay? At tapos yan, this is tank pag transforming internet into a foot. And this is, there is, and close it back, and turn on hole. Mag-vlogger neto siya. This is tank pag, transform niya. May dawalang hole neto, dito. Pag ganon to, pag transform it. Almost there. May holes daw wala dito. Tapos, lagyan dito na. And next, this is hole dito. Tapos yan, much car. Hey, give me the a helicopter. That's not helicopter. Sora! Sorry. Sorry. Why?
Ang haba na ng video mo. Wala na akong
This is
space.
this. A paper transform. And this is robotic transform. And making a robot. Let's make now. 2, just one.
Ano na natin ha? Post it muna, okay?
Yes, please.